Hello, hello everybody.
Hello everybody. That's my Macintosh LC520. It's on. Mess. I'm gonna eject the floppy disk out of it because I want to show you something else. Oops. Eject. Yeah, these are 800K floppy disks. Let's move over here where the Macintosh Classic 2 is. See it? Hang on. There's a mess. I can't talk. Whatever. Yeah, this thing doesn't have a... This Macintosh Classic 2 doesn't have a fan, and it doesn't have a hard drive either, so I have to boot it from floppy disks. Come on. I hate this camera. Can you see it? You know you can't see it, of course. I hate this camera. Hang on. You still can't see it? How about this? You know what? That better? Hang on. Camera. Like I have to, since I'm pointing at the computer, like the Mac, and the screen is like beside my Mac LC 520. I have to point the camera, and I have no idea where it's looking at, so I have to keep looking at the screen. So yeah, that's why I'm moving this around. Okay, let's unplug the keyboard from the Mac LC. Yeah, I don't have a separate keyboard for these things. Kind of like what I'm doing with my PC right now. I'm using the keyboard to my iMac G3 I'm using the keyboard to my iMac G3 on my PC. And that's what the USB camera is going through right now, but anyways, hang on, let's plug it in. still hear me? Okay, now that that's plugged in. You want to look at the screen again? Yeah. Remember. Oh, come on. Oh. That's better. Hang on. That's much better. Hang on, let's turn it on. Remember, hang on. Can you see it? Hang on. Yeah, my house is a mess right now. Remember, no hard drive. There ain't no fan either, so it's really quiet. And I'm pretty sure removing the fan is a really horrible thing to do, but, well, I opened this thing up. You know, like, because when I got my Mac LC520, the hard drive in it was dead, so I salvaged the hard drive from the Mac Classic 2. The reason is because the Mac Classic 2 can run System 6. The Mac Classic 2 can run System 6. The Mac LC520 can. These are 800K floppy disks. Okay, let's eject. I think this is it. Yeah, okay. Insert system disk. Insert the F2 emulator. Insert system disk. Insert Apple II emulator. Insert system disk. I don't know if this thing's gonna go on forever. Like I said, no hard drive. So yeah, here it goes. It says ProDOS users disk. Apple Computer 1983. Hang on, let me adjust the focus. Like I said, this camera sucks. And there's the keyboard. Well, actually, that's the keyboard, but yeah, this disc right here is the system disc. I actually stole that from school. And then the disc in here is from, that's the disc that's in the Apple II.